exactly the kind of thing that I'm saying with buy the rumor, sell the news type things. So, what are they going to change all the names of ATMs to Ethereum instead of Bitcoin? Hey, good question. There we go. So, hopefully, I'm back live on YouTube. I hope so. Come on. Come on, YouTube. You can do it. All right, I am back live on YouTube. What was the name of the analyst name? The blockchain backer. Look him up on YouTube. Um, what are they gonna change all the names to? Oh yeah, I saw that. Okay, ETH and Flare. I don't know enough about Flare. Do I hold Dogecoin? I have like 11,000 Dogecoin, down from 36,000. I sold most of it at the top. Pablo versus Virtual Bacon. What do you think now? At least Virtual Bacon admits when he's wrong. So I mean, I do like both of them, but Pablo needs to admit when he's wrong. As a non-custodial wallet, what are your thoughts on Exodus as a storage and staking? I've heard really good things about Exodus. I don't have. Mic is low. Oh shoot. There shouldn't be any difference, Nicholas, with my microphone. It's the same microphone I'm using. Sorry about. Oh, you know what? I'll turn it around. How about that? There we go. It should be better now. I don't use Exodus, but I've heard good things about it. That's what I was going to say. So, I think that's where I was. Are you expecting an ETH dip after the update? Yes, I am. Not a huge one, but is it safe to stake Ethereum on Coinbase? I think so. Yeah. ETH 10K this year? No. Next year? Yes. Why not direct that anger at the man who told him to short and sell low? Neutral, I'm not sure what you're talking about. Do you hold XRP? Yes, I do. It's about 10% of my portfolio. Okay, you can hear much better now. There we go. Where will Doge go? It'll go up with the rest of the market. So you need to look into Flare networks. I will. Mike is good. What platform can we purchase XRP? You can get on Uphold. I was talking about YouTube, not on TikTok here. What are your thoughts on Phantom? Very, very intrigued by it. It seems like it's getting a lot of hype right now, which is something that doesn't usually excite me all that much. But Pablo is confident Bitcoin will go up but come straight down. No. Well, now he is. Last week he said it was going straight down. But, of course, now that it's up, he's going to say that it's up. What if Pablo is the last man laughing? I'll acknowledge it. And here's what it will take for me to say that I was wrong. If Bitcoin has a weekly close below the 1.618 Fibonacci retracement level, which is at $30,033, then I will say Pablo was right. Remember all the people that exited Bitcoin at the bottom? Yeah, it's so funny looking back at those people. That's right. Yep. Do you want a mic stand? I have a mic stand. I'm actually I have a much better microphone that I will be using eventually. I just need to fix some bugs with it. What's up, brother? What do you think about ADA this year? $8 this cycle, $3 at the end of this year maybe. So I'm not staking ETH on Coinbase. I don't use Coinbase all that much. Pablo needs to stick to acting. There we go. Any predictions on XLM this year? Sully, what's up, man? $1 at the end of the year, $5 at the end of the cycle. Do you hold any quant? Yes, I do, and I'm happy about it. Quantum, do you mean quant? I'm not sure. Real men don't need mic stands. There we go. Why do you think quant will max out with price predication? I'm not sure. So it's with quant, I try to be more humble about that. It's like quant does what it does. So, and I'm just along for the ride. You aren't the one who told him to short and sell low. I am definitely not the one who told him to short and sell low. I don't know what you're saying. Is Pablo just acting confident because he wants to manipulate the market for shorts? No, I just think he's a really proud man who can't admit when he's wrong, and he's never going to, literally never. So most who don't like Bitcoin didn't buy Bitcoin when it was less than 1K. There we go. Yeah. This is like speed questions on a game show. There we go. Delirious, what's up? ADA already overpriced. I agree with you, but it's the market. Are we in a bubble? Yes. So, Matic, any thoughts? I like Matic for short term, but not for long term gains. So, Crow, hey, haven't talked about Crow yet. At least today. So, Crypto.com, in my opinion, will exist as a platform for a long time, which is a great sign for their cryptocurrency. And so, bullish on Crow for sure. When does this cycle finish? I believe early to mid 2022. Corey, thank you so much. Thanks a lot. Biz and Wef keep mentioning Cello. No idea. How much percent cash are you holding in case of a big crash? Very little, maybe like 10% cash. Tell me why this is a bull trap. I don't think it is. I mean, I understand why people are saying it's a bull trap. Maybe it is. It could be. You got to stay humble because Bitcoin movements will humble anyone if you're in it for a long period of time. Aside from Pablo, apparently, Quant looks good, but it needs new partnerships to skyrocket. Yeah, I mean the 14 million supply is enticing to me. XRP long today. I mean it's green right now, but take on privacy and Bitcoin versus Monero, etc. I don't think governments are going to be very excited about Monero trying to keep things private, so they're going to crack down on them very hard. Thoughts on holding Quant through the bear market? I mean, look at Quant over the last 3 months. I mean, is it entirely detached from the rest of the market? If so, then hold it throughout the bear market. You've got to determine that for yourself. We hate crypto because we know the truth, okay? Do you think Bitcoin will drop back to low 30s? I do not. How many different cryptos are you invested in? Like 30. Did you say $5 XLM this cycle end? Yes. Thank you for those sunglasses. How can you be 90% invested in a bubble? That's a good question. I don't think that. That's a good question. So I don't know. But I'm still 90% invested in a bubble. And so what's a bubble? What's the bubbles though? Bitcoin and Ethereum are not bubbles, in my opinion. So that's what I have most of my cryptos in. Yeah, if you haven't been humbled by crypto, you haven't been invested long enough. Quant already did skyrocket. Yeah, it did, and it could more. Do you think crypto travel tokens will moon once COVID relaxes? Crypto travel tokens. I have not looked into that. Do you have a price target in mind for Crow? 50 cents. Do you sell high and take profit or hodl for a year before you do? I sell high and take profit. I did that a lot in May. But for Bitcoin and Ethereum, I'm holding those long term. I mean, that's the question. How can you be 90% in a bubble? Like I'm holding my Bitcoin and Ethereum, Bitcoin for at least 20 years, and Ethereum for at least 10 years. So that's how I can be an investment in a bubble, because it can still go much higher. Most who bought Bitcoin when it was less than 1,000 spent on Silk Road. Whoo, that's true. Yeah. Quant is a giant. Yep. Crypto Weatherman has same prediction as Pablo. Difference between Crypto Weatherman and Pablo is that Crypto Weatherman says exactly what he got right and what he got wrong. Pablo just grabs random crypts and says, hey, I was right. No, you weren't. What will happen if crypto gets regulated by the government? It depends on the regulation. But in short term, it won't be a good thing. But long term, I don't think so. So he's selling. Someone is selling. Can I ask what stocks you hold, if any? Basic normal stocks: Apple, Amazon. I do have some GameStop and AMC, but I'll be a lot more into. I'm just going to choose blue chips throughout the bear market. So what do you see Ethereum price at by the end of this decade? 6 figures, but that's all I'll say. What percentage of your total is invested in ETH and Bit? Over 50%. I don't know the exact amount percentage-wise. So I like Pablo, but his pride is bigger than his crypto holdings. That's for sure. Yeah. Regulation is necessary for universal adaptation. See, I mean, like, that's a good point, Brooke. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan Chase, all these other, I know they're easing into crypto. Something that will make them rush into it is that they want to see what happens on the other side of regulations. So, buy Nokia. Yeah, people are telling me to buy Nokia. How do you think the market will perform in the next couple of weeks? The stock market? I tend to believe what Crypto Weatherman says, that we're going to see a correction. But he did say for July, and it's July 30th. So maybe August. Are you against 100% in crypto? Yeah, I am. There are times to be. I mean, I wouldn't object to being 100% in Bitcoin or 100% in Ethereum. But when people ask 100% in crypto, it's usually not Bitcoin or Ethereum. Do you think the stock market is going to crash? One day, eventually, it's going to crash really hard. But like, I got into this mindset that has transferred over well into crypto in 2010, and I thought in 2010, any day now, it's going to crash. And then 2011, any week now, and then 2012, I kept on going, And so now I just decide to be more like, we'll see. We'll wait and see. If the NASDAQ drops 40%, how much will Bitcoin and ETH drop? 40% more, something like that. If it does, though, I think it's going to be a V-shaped recovery. So did you get into Luna? I don't own any Luna, but we'll go buy its all-time high again, $18 or so. Do you think there's any chance of the flipping happening this cycle? I don't think this cycle. Pick a number. I do think maybe next cycle. There are more than 1,000 different kinds of crypto. How can it be possible? There's like 8,000 different ones, and most of them will die. So, are you moving your crypto into cold storage? Maybe like 10%. Goodbye beard on Sunday morning. Oh man, you're killing me, man. Yeah, well, no, all right. So yeah, if it closes above $40,000, I'm shaving my beard. Not Sunday morning. Oh yeah, Sunday morning. No, I'll shave on Tuesday of next week. Do you buy Bitcoin and ETH no matter the price and hold? Up for now, I have been. I mean, I put a ton in around between $10,000 and $20,000, and then I slowed down a bit after that. So, will ETH drop if the 4th of August is delayed? It depends on when it's delayed too, but I could see that being for like a day, a bearish thing. When adding quant to a ledger, do I just send my quant to my ETH address wallet? I have never transferred crypto to a ledger, and I want to admit that. So I don't know. Any day now for over 2 months, yeah. What's so special about the 4th of August? It's because, oh man, EIP 1559, big event coming up. Early August foreclosure results will dictate stock crypto direction short term. So you think foreclosures are going to happen that quickly? Because like that seems awfully quick. What's your recommendation on a low crypto to hold and buy in a low price? I mean, you're thinking price. I would encourage you to look into market cap more so than price. And so then I would recommend quant, because I'm not really big on cryptos outside of the top 50. But you're going to look at the price and be like, no, that's way too expensive. How many coin will survive by 2030? I'm generally more optimistic than most people. I'd say like 25%. Mt. Gox and Cryptsy, if you know, you know. Yeah, and the Mt. Gox days are over. Bitcoin is Illuminati. Okay. Pablo and others making predictions based off 2 bull runs. How is that enough history to analyze? No, they're not. Pablo is not making predictions off of the previous 2 bull runs. He's making predictions on things that have never happened before. Like, and he, so I'm the one making predictions off of 2 bull runs. Also acknowledging like we don't have enough information, but it's actually 3 bull runs. So Bitcoin is made by Masons. Okay. Oh, really? What do you use to store your crypto, if you don't mind me asking? I just keep it on exchanges for right now. I'm staking a large majority of it. So what platform do you recommend to buy quant and XRP? Coinbase for quant. Try to get Coinbase Pro. XRP, uphold. Eviction ban likely to be extended. Foreclosures will be delayed. Probably. Do you think DOT is a good investment? Yes. Do you think it has a future in 10 plus years? We'll see. So it's not a long-term hold for me. I could see I think it has a good chance of existing 10 years from now. So any comment? No, you're in finance. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know enough. If they don't extend the foreclosure protection, which doesn't look like they will, speculation dip. Yeah. Oh, so they're not going to extend it. XRP price prediction, please. $8 to $10 LM. Right now, XRP. I would want to load up before the SEC suit ends. But the wild card is the manipulation that's happening now compared to back then. To an extent, yes. It was more easily manipulatable, if that's a word, back then. Now it's harder to manipulate, but there's deeper pockets. So it's a give and take thing. Dot to the moon. All right. What is staking? You hold your crypto on a platform, on a node, and you get returns, you get rewards for it. When is ETH 2.0 coming out? Some say the end of this year. I think in 2022. Helium mining. I'm very eager to get my hands on a helium miner. I'm looking forward to it. So yeah. Good morning, Evil D. What's up, man? My prediction is that Bitcoin will be about 40K today. It's at 39,000 right now. You know, it dipped when options expired, but we're recovering nicely. It looks like it's climbing back up, so it could be, yeah. Quant, HBAR, and Link are my top 3 long-term holds. That's good. I hold XRP, yes. I already explained staking. XRP $10 a cycle. That's a 13 X return. Good buy? Yeah, I think it's a good buy. Do you think the CME gap at 32K won't be filled? No, I don't. When is the suit supposed to end? You never know. Thank you, Ramen for Life. Thanks a lot. You never know with it because, I mean, it's like when, you know, some people were saying that maybe on the 28th it would end, and it didn't. And so now what? Now back to the drawing board. I could see it going to 2022. Cardano, in general, I'm bullish. I think August is going to be a good month. Nancy Pelosi said something about not extending without Congress. I need to find a clip. Okay. What do you think about Pi? I'm warming up to it. I do mine it on my phone, just kind of waiting to see, like, hey, what's going to happen with it? So will it be worth something one day? Yeah, I think so. What is a good amount of XRP to hold? I have 10% of my portfolio, maybe that. Do you have community guidelines problems with TikTok when you talk about crypto? I haven't had any yet, and so knock on wood, you know. When is the end of the cycle, Corey? In my opinion, it's going to be early to mid 2022. And you said to wait until August 4th. What's happening then? For Ethereum, EIP 1559 turning ETH to deflationary. It's big. So let's see. ADA may do well with regulations. Thoughts? Yes, I agree. Helium availability is having. Yeah, it is. Yep. Top 3 long-term holds: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. Pablo sweating while watching that chart. Hey, he came out of hiding yesterday, so that's good. Why do you think there are so many ADA diehards than DOT? So many more? I mean, what they say they're going to do, it's clear that it's superior, according to what they say, than ETH. But, yeah, I don't know. Benjamin Cohen is very influential with, you know, he's got like 500,000 subscribers on YouTube. So, and he loves ADA. That might be a reason why. Would you buy Bitcoin at the current price or wait for a dip? I'd buy some now. And, you know, if it dips more, then so be it. Buy more then. More stolen cryptos are coming, probably by world governments. Okay. I am in Crow. Yeah, I'm in Crow. Holding it. I'm down on it, but I'm not worried. Going to exit all positions when the cycle ends. I will not exit my Bitcoin or Ethereum. I will exit some of my Binance, some of my Chainlink. Probably none of my HBAR just because I don't own enough of it. But other ones I'm going to exit pretty hard. So do you have an idea what Pi will open up at? No, I don't. No. In your opinion, would there be a short-term gain after the EIP 1559 upgrade? No, I think it's going to dip after that. That it'll be bought up because of hype, and then people will sell it on August 4th. And then, slowly but surely, those gains will be realized. Can this bull cycle end without a blow-off top in crypto? Perhaps. So we didn't, you know, we had a 13-week rounded top for Bitcoin. I could see something similar happening again in early to mid 2022. But we, like Ethereum, we had a blow-off top. See you later, Corey. Have a good one. With Doge, we absolutely had a blow-off top. Look for blow-off tops in places other than Bitcoin. When are smart contracts supposed to come for ADA? I don't know. I heard something about maybe August. So should I look to change all my altcoins into ETH and Bitcoin at the end of the cycle? Or into stable coins and, you know, get some 9% staking on like Celsius or something like that. Pablo is... I'm behind, man. Pablo is a robot controlled by the CIA. Okay. Not my words, but will the SEC go after Chainlink? I haven't heard anything about that, Jennifer. I hope not. How do you think helium halving will affect the price? I mean, and the popularity of mining it? I mean, I would assume that over the next several months it'll go higher, and that will offset the popularity, and the popularity will stay the same. How do you feel about places like Nexo and Celsius to earn interest on your crypto? I love it. Yes, very much so. Would you buy Bitcoin at current price or wait for a dip? I'd buy some now. August 4th, London update. Yeah, 1559, all those numbers. Yeah, did a breakdown video. Okay, I'll check that out, zombie. Oh, man, come on. Theta price end of cycle, like $50. Chainlink max end of bull run, max price Chainlink. I've been saying $200. I'll stick with that. So, let's see. Exit Matic soon? No. Wait until things go parabolic. I always respect bears like Crypto Weatherman as he is honest. Pablo just lies too much. I'm with you on that. Any knowledge of any new cryptos on Binance? No, I don't pay attention to new cryptos on platforms right now. That's kind of a bear market thing for me to do, not right now. Because a lot of them are money grabs. Crypto Weatherman really covering and defending Pablo makes me sad. Yeah. You think there's a sell the rumor? Man. Sell the rumor in ETH after EIP news comes out. Yes, I do. View on Solana. I love Solana. I think it's going to be worth in 4 years what ETH is worth now. So, would you buy Bitcoin at the current price? Wait for a dip. I'd say, again, buy a little now. Oh, man. And if it dips more, buy some more later. So, dot price prediction, end of cycle, $200. I have Bitcoin, ETH, ADA, XRP, XLM, HBAR, VET, VTHOR, Litecoin, DOT, and Link. Is that an acceptable combination? I think that's great, yeah. I miss quant run-up. Should I wait for a correction to enter? If you want to get in, maybe, let's say you had $1,000. Why not put $100 in right now and then wait for a dip? You said ADA, $50 at the end. No, I did not. No, I said $8. Best place to stake. I really like PancakeSwap. Chainlink, $200 by March 2020. I think so. Or May, or June, or July. Got kicked from Pablo Discord just asking why I wasn't posting no alerts. I think I saw a comment of yours on that, OC Pet Doctor. Yeah, that's really concerning. Does it cost money? I want to know, does it cost money to get into that Discord? Because if so, I saw there were like 27,000 people in there, and that's crazy. What do you hodl more, DOT or ADA? I think DOT. I'm not sure. I have both. Thank you, Jennifer. Cardano, again, bullish on Cardano. Why do you think Bitcoin is dropping right now? Options expired, and they expired around the time that Bitcoin dumped this morning. But it's climbing. It's been climbing since then. Long-term prediction XLM, don't really have one. I've been saying $5 this cycle, so. VIP contesting on my AMP. Oh, my goodness. How much does it cost? It does cost last time I looked. Wow. Price prediction for Bitcoin Cash? Man. Maybe it'll touch its 2018 all-time high. Hey, what's up, Fry? Thoughts on XRP? It's going to be flat until the SEC suit is over. It's pay to join now on Pablo's Discord. Wow. Technically fundamental. What's up, man? Thank you, Ramen for Life. Do you hold any Dogecoin? I have like 11,000 Dogecoin. I had 36,000. Too many subscribers questions. Crazy, you're good. Thank you. DOT is earning 12% on Voyager. Yes, it is. I love it. Hit the bell for your videos, but didn't get notified. Oh, man. Thoughts on Crow? Yeah, it's not gonna die, which means that it'll be much higher like a decade from now than it is now. Elrond price, I don't have one. Sorry. Do you not see a big dip in the next couple weeks? I don't. No. I think August is going to be a very good month. Bought a little IOST. I don't know enough about IOST. I believe $39.99 for a VIP. Oh man, dude, he is making so much bank right now. And he has this, he has with the blockchain boy, this, oh man, Infinity. Oh man, I'm blanking on the name of it. So I bet he's making money there. So good for him, I suppose. Long-term prediction, Cardano. We're not going to know what Cardano is for another 10 years. So decided not to join since he goes back and forth on his words. Wow. Sold very little yesterday at 40.5, then rebought it this morning at 38K. Hey, you know, if you want to have a small amount dedicated to stuff like that, I wouldn't complain. Pablo's JK, not an idiot. I didn't see your first comment. All in on SafeMoon. Put all my savings in outlet. Bitmart, do you mean? I don't know what you're saying. Okay, yeah. Money grab. Largest coin holding, Ethereum. Am I watching the Olympics? I'm watching some highlights, but not a ton. I'm too busy. In 1992, like, I was counting down the days until the Olympics. Isn't ADA just an ETH competitor? Will it be able to compete? I think there's room for both. And ETH is solidifying itself in certain spheres, and ADA will never be able to grab those things, but ADA will be able to carve out its place. Do you know a good spot to stake Matic? I don't. And I watched a video from somebody else, but I don't remember who made that video. So, link ADA HBAR quant. Link quant HBAR ADA dot, and that's really hard for me to put dot last. Infinity pad, that's it. Yeah. So watch out for him rug pulling, man. The blockchain boy would never do that, but cheering for a correction downward. I hope you're wrong. My day job, I am self-employed. I run a grocery distribution business, but I'm semi-retired, so I work maybe like 10 hours a week on it. Sports with no fans is horrible. It's depressing. It's hard for me to watch sports with no fans. Yeah. Binance has staking Matic. Celsius, you get 11% on Matic. There we go, Alex. Good. Alex for the win. And by Alex, I don't mean me. I mean Alex D on my YouTube channel. Hop on over to my YouTube channel, by the way. Subscribe to my channel. Did you say $60 or $200 for Chainlink? I said $200. I said $60 by the end of the year, $200 by the end of the cycle. Any idea for stocks purchase right now? No. I do tend to agree with Crypto Weatherman that a stock market correction is coming. A little one, 10 to 20% or something like that. So, what do you think about Uni? It's hard with Uniswap. Like, I think they're going to benefit a lot from EIP 1559, but the fees are way too high right now. So, AMP, I'm going to, I get so many questions about AMP every day. I'm just going to do a deep dive after I go live because it really drives me crazy. I just don't know what to say. Any thoughts on the GMC AMC squeeze or GME AMC squeeze? I'm losing faith that it's ever going to happen, So, what about VET? I love VET. VeChain to $1. All right, thoughts on Harvest Invest. Did it get listed on Coinbase or something? Because nobody's asked me about Harvest Invest ever up until today. And now I'm getting questions about it. Best app to use. I prefer Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. ALE749. You'll get $25 of free Bitcoin, and you'll skip the waiting list. No offense, but I'm hoping crypto drops a super big chungus. Man, you guys, you had your opportunity. But thank you, Porter. Thanks a lot. I think that opportunity's gone. I mean, you're welcome to hope that. I'm not hoping that. Harvest Finance up 125% in 24 hours. There we go. Yep. That's why people are asking me about it. Stay away. You stay far away from it for like the next month. Thank you, Critical Care Now. Yes, thanks a lot. What's the coin you're most passionate about for the future? Ethereum. Easily Ethereum. Watch my video, EIP3675. It has a sticker on it. Do you feel Bitcoin will get back to 35K? I don't think so. No. It was listed somewhere. Got the email today. Forget which. Yep. When Invest lists on Coinbase, that would be amazing. Yeah, so, I mean, it blows me away that VET isn't on Coinbase, but at the same time, somebody pointed out to me, VET has a lot of partnerships in China, and Coinbase is a United States company, so maybe that's why. All right, yes, you missed it. All right, Link Quant HBAR, Cardano, and Polkadot. But all of those are like top 15 cryptos for me. Is Cello a good investment? I don't know enough about Cello. So, oh man. I am still going strong. Not going to go anywhere. Let's see. All right. Am I missing any comments? Link, what are we up to? We're a little under $20. So, not surprising. Chai Network, don't know enough. Clover got listed on Coinbase too recently for me to want to invest in it. Why are there gas fees for ETH and how are they calculated? There's gas fees. There's fees for everything. It has to do with miners. Miners, I don't know how it works, but there's fees for everything. All right, hold on a second. I'm missing a lot of things here. Coinbase stock earnings. They will need to list as many cryptos as possible. There we go. That's true. Ether price prediction December of 21, 5,000. Where do you think XRP is going in 21? It depends on the SEC suit. Is it going to end? If so, then yeah, they'll go back to their all-time high. Thank you, SB. Thanks a lot. What time is it where I am? It's 10:46 a.m. Video suggesting to talk about staking if possible in your opinions. Man, there's lots of content out there. Pablo's not welcome at your house for tea and muffins. I'll think about it. Begin crypto back in the house. YouTube ad revenue been good for me. Not just got monetized. I mean, I'm only going live on YouTube right now. Live stream revenue is not that great, but for videos, the big thing is my AP. The amount that I make per 1,000 views is very high. It's like $10 or something like that. ADA position heavier than Dot and Link. Don't worry about it, Neutral. Should I be buying Theta now that it's kind of low? I think so, yeah. Why do people always go on about the CME gap? Because it often gets filled, I think. I think that's why people are saying. Chia Network's blowing up. Sweet. I do have some Litecoin, yeah. I am wondering if it's underpriced. I'm not a huge fan of Litecoin, but it will go up. So, all right. Me and Crypto Weatherman, contrasting views, but most responsive. Thank you. $8 to $5 end of cycle. That's what I think, yes. I have not paid attention to Kava. Thank you for those gifts, Ramen. Sick, yeah. What do you think about Marathon? I prefer the regular crypto, not the minor stocks. So, thank you, OC Pet Doctor. Made a few $100 on my TikTok. Need to post more. You've made a few $100? Wow. I don't know how much I've made. I've made a few $100. It's not a ton, but which currencies won't you sell at the end of the bull run? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. Litecoin will always be here, yeah, but I like other stuff more. You think STMX can ever hit $1? I don't know what it's priced at right now, but if it's one of those 0.00000083 coins, then no, I don't think it will. What do you think about Dino Yield Farm? I know nothing about Dino Yield Farm. I have both, but Link or Theta. I would say Link. Smooth Rider, thank you. All right, 1 a.m. in Sydney. I'd be asleep if it was 1 a.m., but thank you so much. STM. I answered your question about that. All right, guys. I am going to run. I'm done for today. Should I buy more Solana or Chainlink? Chainlink, Lucas. But both are great. Livecoin, watch this chart. VeChain at $7 in 2018. Is this wrong? Was it ever at $7? That seems far-fetched to me. XLM, I love XLM. Very bullish on it. So yeah, Quant is crazy right now, isn't it? Yes, yes. Thank you, Evil D. Have a good one for those of you on YouTube. Have a good one for those of you on TikTok. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, World War Bitcoin. And follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. I've been much more active there than in the past. So Solana, $200, King Kush. Short term. All right, I'm done.